wash chemistry. We talk about auto injection, but I just always want to touch on that, Ross, in terms of, what are some of the innovations or things that you've done or looking to do just related to, getting the best end product, right? You got to have the right wash chemistry if you're going to deliver a high quality product, whether it's your commercial accounts and especially the residential accounts.
Yeah, in the facility, it's important to have a higher water temperature, so we're able to do that in the facility better than we can in the laundromat, and make sure that the water being delivered at the machine is staying at that temperature too. The ozone, like I mentioned, is new for us, and then with the auto injection, we have probably 14 or 18 different wash cycles. And so when we bring on a new client, if they have special needs, then we work with our chemical company to create a new cycle in the machine to try to cut down if we have to pre-treat or anything like that, and have the most efficient cycle for what we're washing.
And Kelly, what about all the different wash programs that you must have to have on board to handle the variety of things coming through your door?
We do. Right now, we just ordered a chemical injection system. Not only will it help provide, good quality service for your customers, but it's also going to cut down our costs, because no matter how much you tell an employee what to use, they're going to just pour. So just think about all the money you're literally throwing down the drain.
Well, I'd love, Kathy, for you to follow up on that, because I know that's been a big part of your focus.
Yeah, definitely. The auto injectors have helped a lot. We were finding similar things with a lot, spent on laundry detergent. We went from liquid detergent to using pods because we thought that was better for the employees to really know exactly how many to put in. And now with the auto injectors and the formulas, there's no question how much detergent is getting in. Because of our background with the diaper service, we have a lot of knowledge with different chemicals and working with the different formulas. So when we get a commercial client, we can adjust their formula to have more upfront rinses or longer soaks. Things like that. We can adjust the pH of the material to really open up the weave and things like that.
Well, my natural follow-up question to that is, how do you, especially with new business, how do you sort of communicate the incredible value of that? Having the right program, the right chemistry on board, because I'm sure you're not the cheapest, I'm guessing. And so you must have some way of letting people know, and maybe it's just part of your sales process, about this is how we do it.
Yeah. So we really talk to the customer about what they need, whether they need bleach, whether they need items pre-treated. Maid services, of course, get a lot more rinses in those higher temperatures. So that's what we really focus on that when we're first signing someone up.